In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape in Google Slides with an image. Whether you're working on a school project or a business presentation, adding images to shapes can make your slides more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First things first, you want to head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to use your Google account credentials to log in. Signing in ensures you have access to all your saved presentations and gives you the capability to create new ones. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage, which is the starting point for creating or editing any presentation. Now, you'll see an option to either open an existing presentation or start a new one. For our tutorial today, we'll be starting fresh, so go ahead and click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, if you want a bit more pizzazz right from the start, feel free to select a pre-existing theme that suits your needs. The choice here is really up to your personal preference and the style of your presentation. With your blank canvas ready to go, the next step involves choosing the image you want to use. Select an image from your computer or use an image already inserted into your presentation. This is an essential step because the quality and relevance of the image you choose will greatly impact your slide's effectiveness and aesthetic appeal. Once you've selected your image, it's time to move on to masking it. This is where the real magic happens. Click on the image you've chosen to highlight it, and then navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here you'll find an option called Mask Image. This function is particularly helpful when you want to adjust the shape of your image to better fit into your slide's overall design. Next, after clicking on Mask Image, you'll see a drop-down menu. Hover over the Shapes option, and a variety of shapes will appear. For this example, we're going to choose a circular mask. The circle is a classic choice and works well for images intended to draw attention. With your shape selected, the image will automatically conform to the new shape, neatly fitting within the circle. It really is as simple as that. The end result is an image that seamlessly integrates into your slide design, focusing your audience's attention and enhancing the overall look of your presentation. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to fill a shape in Google Slides with an image. This technique can be applied using different shapes and images to suit any presentation style or subject. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy presenting.